morning, children. Welcome back to the second part of the explanation of the chapter, The Rat Trap. In the first part, we have come to an end where Edla Wilmanson, the daughter of the Ramsjo Iron Mill, she takes the rat trap seller to her house to celebrate Christmas. Now, let's continue. In the morning, the father and daughter were in conversation, expressing their concern about their guest, the captain. The ironmaster was sad at his condition. He thought in better clothes he would become a better man also. तो ऑब्वियसली सुबह के टाइम में ब्रेकफास्ट पे दे वर लेइंग द टेबल सजा रहे थे एंड द फादर मीन्स द आयरन मास्टर वाज एक्सप्रेसिंग हिज कंसर्न, चिंता व्यक्त कर रहे थे उसके रैट ट्रैप सेलर के बारे में कि बेचारा की स्थिति इतनी खराब हो गई है एंड मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली इफ ही wears good dress he would look much better. And while they were having this talk, the conversation is going on. The tramp, the rat trap seller, he enters the scene. Now see, he was nicely dressed with proper haircut and shave. The iron master realized that he had done a mistake. Now see, बातें तो ये हो रही थी कि if he dresses up nicely, he would look a much better person. But yes, he entered as a much better person. But the Iron Master was surprised and a little bit angry also. Why? Because soon he realized that this is not the person that I had thought of and wanted in my house. He says he was not an old acquaintance, he was hurt. And he also thought he was cheated. उन्हें थोड़ी गुस्सा हुई, थोड़ी नाराजगी भी, क्योंकि जब रैट ट्रैप सेलर हेयर कट करा के शेव करके अच्छे कपड़ों में एक सूट था जो डॉटर एडला विल्मनसन ने दी थी, उसे पहनकर जब वो अपने असली रूप में आया तो इमीडिएटली द आयरन मास्टर रियलाइज्ड, वो समझ गया कि ये कोई और है. The rat trap seller made no attempt to disguise or hide his identity. rat trap seller भी उसने बिल्कुल कोशिश नहीं की झूठ बोलकर अपनी आइडेंटिटी को छुपाने की. He was ready to change his dress and leave. वो बोला ठीक है, अगर आपसे गलती हुई मैं इस ड्रेस को छोड़कर जाने को तैयार हूँ. But the iron master thought of calling the sheriff, the police, and this angered the rat trap seller. Iron master ने उसे धमकी दी कि well, you have cheated me. जो भी हो, I might have made a mistake, but the fact is that you have cheated me. तुमने मेरी गलती का फायदा उठाया, जिसके कारण यू शुड बी गिवन टू द पुलिस. और यहीं पर इस बात को सुनकर द ट्रैम्प, वो रैट ट्रैप सेलर, उसे गुस्सा आ जाता. he gets angry. Why he gets angry? See this. He gives his opinion. He says that I know this whole world is a rat trap, and he says the sheriff would put him behind the bars, but a day would come when he would want to have something big and get trapped. वो बोलता है, he clearly tells his opinion that remember, today I have got trapped in a rat trap and the police will catch me. He will send me to the jail. I'll be behind bars. But mind you, a day will come when you will also get tempted. आप भी मेरी तरह tempted हो जाओगे, आकर्षित हो जाओगे किसी भी गलत चीज के प्रति, और आप भी किसी दिन जेल जा सकते हो. आयरन मास्टर, he gets angry, गुस्सा होकर बोलते लीव, चले जाओ तुरंत यहाँ से. But the daughter Edla, she doesn't want that. She has a proper reason, as any human being would do. She says, well, whoever had made the mistake, I want the rat trap seller to enjoy a day of peace with us. हमारे साथ वो एक दिन तो ढंग से बिताए. We have called him. It's a Christmas Eve. फेस्टिवल के समय है. हम कैसे किसी को अपने घर से ऐसे ही जाने दें? She says, how can one choose to chase anyone away on a Christmas Eve? कैसे भगा दे? And the iron master unwillingly, उन्हें मन नहीं था, इच्छा नहीं थी, मगर वो राजी हो जाता है अपनी बेटी के बातों पर. He agrees, and so they decide to celebrate Christmas together. Now, the rat trap seller, though doubtful, उसे थोड़ा संदेह था, why this girl has helped me? ये लड़की मेरे ऊपर इतनी मेहरबान क्यों है? But he did not cause any trouble. उसने कुछ भी गलत नहीं किया, कुछ भी उटपटांग नहीं किया, ऐसी हरकत नहीं की जो किसी को बुरा लगे. So he helped himself the whole day. उठा, खाना खाया, सोया. उठा, जब भी उठाया गया, खाना खाया, and he went to sleep. He went to sleep as if he had not slept quietly and safely for a long time. जैसे बहुत दिनों की नींद उसे पूरा करना था, because he had not got a chance to sleep quietly and safely. In the evening also he met all the guests and thanked them all. Edla said the suit he was wearing was a Christmas gift from a father and he could accompany them next year also, of course, if he wanted. In the evening, guests have gathered there. Everybody exchanged gifts. He also got some gift. He said thank you to everybody. When he went to Edla, जब Edla के पास जाते हैं, Edla says, आप इस सूट को रख सकते हो, ये मेरे पापा का सूट है. It's a Christmas gift for you. And mind you, आगे भी अगर आप Christmas enjoy करना सकते हो, चाहते हो हमारे साथ, you are welcome. आप आ सकते हो. And with this, we reach to the anticlimax of the story. Next morning, father and daughter, the iron master and his daughter Edla, they get up, they go to the church. Christmas, obviously, they go to the church for prayer service. Rat trap seller was sleeping and nobody woke him up. In the church, what happens? They they hear the story about the 30 kroner stolen from the old craftsman, and he also says that the person who stole the 30 kroners was actually a rat trap seller. They were struck when they came to know that the thief was a rat trap seller. The iron master was worried that he must have stolen the silver spoons. Iron master अपनी बेटी को कहता है, चलो घर, चले जल्दी देखें, कहीं हमारे भी सिल्वर स्पून्स को भी तो वो लेकर भाग नहीं गया. And they drive back home. And they were very surprised when they reached home. As they got out of the car, they met their valet or the servant and asked, is the rat trap seller gone? He said, हाँ sir, he has gone, but he has not taken anything. Don't worry, वो कुछ चोरी करके नहीं गया. Rather, he has given something to you. Edla opened that something, which was very poorly wrapped, and it was visible that it was a rat trap with 30 kroners in it. And with that, there was a letter also. I want to read the letter out to you, the content of the letter. It was written, since you have been so nice to me all day long, as if I was a captain, I want to be nice to you in return, as I was a real captain, for I don't want you to be embarrassed at this Christmas season by a thief. वो लिखा था कि आप मेरे साथ अच्छे से रहें, मैं भी आपके साथ अच्छे से. आप you raised me to the standard of captain, आपने मुझे कैप्टन का सम्मान दिया और मैं एक कैप्टन के जैसा ही आपसे भी व्यवहार करना चाहता हूँ. So I don't want to displease you, make you sad in this festive season, Christmas के अवसर पर. And later, in that letter only, he requests, आग्रह करता है एडला से कि please return this 30 kroner to that old craftsman जिसके यहाँ से मैंने इसे चोरी की है, और उसे कह देना, या एटलीस्ट वो उस पाउच को खिड़की के पास न रखे जो एक बेट के जैसा काम करता है, एक चारा के रूप में काम करता है हम जैसे चोर के लिए, हम जैसे चूहों के लिए जो आकर उस बेट में, उस रैट ट्रैप में फंस जाता है. The rat trap was a gift from a rat who would have been caught in this world's rat trap. He says this rat trap is a gift from a rat जो उसे एक्चुअली उस रैट ट्रैप में फंस जाना था, मगर वो नहीं फंसा, बच गया. If he had not been raised to captain, अगर उसे ये सम्मान नहीं मिलता, जीवन के बारे में अच्छी बातें नहीं बताई जाती, इस रूप से दुनिया को उसके सामने नहीं लाया गया होता, तो शायद वो इस तरह के काम नहीं कर पाता. because in that way he got power to clear himself, and he signed as Captain von Stay. Mind you, it's a Swedish name, so the pronunciation can be at times von Stahl also. So thank you very much once again for listening to this second part of the explanation. Read your books, as I always say. Thank you.